Hey, hello, how are you? So, let me show you when you do something like this, like like your website showing 500 euro. There are many reasons for this. The first reason will be the plugin conflict. For this, you should go to File Manager. Here is the File Manager. This is the first step. If this solve the problem, then you don't need to do other things. Just you should go to a public HTML here, and you should go WP content folder. Here you can see plugin folder. You just need to rename this new. You just need to rename this, and you should refresh the website. You facing this error here. If the website looks working again, then the problem is fixed. But if you still saw the problem, you might need to follow the second step. The second step is about, so this is not the plugin issue. Okay. So the second step is htaccess file. Like here is the htaccess file. You should just rename this htaccess file to like new. So just rename it. After you rename it, you should refresh the website for maximum time. After refresh this error page, the website will working again. That means it was htaccess problem. So as you rename the htaccess file, you should create a new htaccess file. Okay. For new htaccess file, you should go to this one and create a new file here. Simply htaccess just click create. Now you should add some code, insert it, so you easily find from Google for htaccess code for WordPress. Thus, you should just copy this code. I will give it to you on description and paste it here and just save it. That's it. Your WordPress website will working and the 500 euro will be gone. I hope you understand the video. Oh, okay. One more thing. After you save the htaccess file, okay. So your website working, but the plugins are gone. So you should do the plugin folder same as before. Before doing that, you can back up the plugin folder for taking any risks. So after I rename the folder as previous, you can see all plugins came here. Okay, I hope this video will help you for solving this issue. Thank you.